Today, YouTube, we are going to be taking a look at the Sharper Image Studio Quality USB Collapsible Microphone for Mac and Windows. I got this from the Christmas Tree Shops for $5.98. Underneath the sticker, it says it was selling for $8.99, and on eBay you can find them for 99 cents with no bids, and for $30, which was the original price. It says it's good for podcasts and videos, vocal recordings, podcast music recording, live video chats, and more. Delivers crisp sound, collapsible design, records vocals and instruments, ready to use, no app needed, plug and play basically. I've got over 15 different microphones. And it looks tiny. Looks like it doesn't take up too much desk space. It looks really tiny, like a blue snowball, but with a built-in stand. And I'm highly doubtful that it actually will produce studio recording sound. But then again, I have been shocked with microphones that cost $5, like the Rock Band USB microphone. That was like freaking 12 years ago. I used that, and I was blown away. It sounded HD on my computer and laptop that I had back then. So, you know what? Maybe this sounds holy crap. I said it looked tiny. Oh my god. Whoa. Oh my god. This thing is like a softball. It's a softball. Oh my god, it's huge. How do you actually lock it, though? It looks like... Oh. Oh my god. It looks so professional. Lock it in place. Wow. Wires out of it, and you plug it in right there. Try not to get my fingerprints on it. And we shall go and test it on the computer. Okay, now I am using the Canon M50's built-in microphone. At the beginning of this video, during the unboxing, I was using my external microphone, the Zoom H5, and I have this microphone, the Sharper Image, plugged in to my Mac Pro 2013 trash can, and Audacity is up. It shows up as a USB microphone. That's the name if you're trying to find it. And it looks like, at least on my Mac, it only records in mono, but we will do some tests with it. I will do a far away test like this, 6 inches away, and then a super close up, and then I'll test the sides and the back of it to see if it actually does have an omnidirectional microphone as claimed on the box. So here we go. I will be swapping to this microphone. Hello everyone, I'm 6 inches away from the microphone right now doing a test of the Sharper Image omnidirectional USB microphone for $5.98 at the Christmas Tree Shop. Now I'm getting closer to see if the quality increases as it does on most microphones when you get closer to them. I am now talking on the right side of the microphone, and I am now talking to the left side of the microphone, and now I am right behind the microphone where they claim there is another capsule to make it omnidirectional, and I am back in front of the microphone. Okay, now I'm back to the Canon M50's built-in microphone. You might be able to hear a difference, I don't know. I'm going to try and play it back right now. Hello everyone, I'm 6 inches away from the microphone right now doing a test of the Sharper Image omnidirectional USB microphone for $5.98 at the Christmas Tree Shop. Now I'm getting closer to see if the quality increases as it does on most microphones when you get closer to them. So I would recommend that this is for voiceovers and maybe instruments and maybe vocals if you want to. There is a little bit of noise, but if you're not playing it at full loudness, you won't really notice it. Like here, I'm going to play it at half. Hello everyone, I'm 6 inches away from the microphone right now. You don't hear it, but also you can use your built-in editor, your iMovie if you have a Mac. Adobe Premiere Pro has a denoiser, or Audacity, a free program. You can do the denoiser effect on here, and it will make it sound like a Blue Yeti. I mean, without the noise, it would sound exactly like a Blue Yeti, just with less features. Hello everyone, I'm 6 inches away from the microphone right now doing a test of the Sharper Image Omnidirectional USB microphone for $5.98 at the Christmas Tree Shop. Hello everyone, I'm 6 inches away from the microphone right now doing a test of the Sharper Image Omnidirectional USB microphone for $5.98 at the Christmas Tree Shop. It is the Blue Snowball competitor, I would say. I love this thing. I'm gonna definitely, I can sell it for even more now. I mean, my god, that is just super clear for such a cheap price. Wow.